Divide them.
Hey guys, what's the problem?
They're complaining about fractions again.
Oh, Helayna and I can show you how to do that. What do you need help with?
Dividing fractions. Piece of cake.
Ooh, does that mean I get cake?
No!
Fine. I said that wrong.
Alright, let's get started.
How about we start with an example?
Good idea. How about a half divided by a quarter?
Use this rhyme to help you remember the process. Dividing fractions easy as pie. Flip the second, then multiply. Before it's time to say goodbye. We're not far.
We're just trying to help.
Shut up, Jordan, or we'll fail maths.
Cut. I don't know what to do then.
Cut it. Okay, so this is how you do it. Instead of having a half divided by a quarter, you do a half times 4 ones.
What do you do that for?
Multiplication is the opposite of division. That's why you do it.
Oh, I think I get this now. So now you do the multiplication.
So you do 1 times 4, which is 4.
Then you do 2 times 1, which is 2. So the answer is
4 halves. But wait, that isn't a proper fraction, is it?
nope, you need to simplify it. We know how to do that. We learned that in primary.
So that means the answer is 2, right?
Yep, and that's how you do division with fractions.
Bye! We're going to teach you how to divide fractions by whole numbers. So what you do first is you make 5 over 1 is the same as 5. And then you swap the division sign for a multiplication sign. Then you flip 1 half and you make it 2 over 1. So the answer is 5 times 2, which is 10. And 1 times 1 is 1. So it's 10 over 1 or 10.
Mix fractions by fractions. 2 and 2/5 divided by 3/5. Change the mixed fraction into an improper fraction is 12 over 5. Do the normal division with fractions, which is 12 over 5 times 5 over 3 equals 60 over 15. If simplified further, the answer would be... There are some examples you can do at home. I'm going to explain the first question in each category and then you can do the next 2. So first we have a half divided by 3/4. You first change the division symbol to a multiplication symbol. Then you flip the second fraction. So that's 3/4 now into 4/3. And then you do times 1 by 4 equals 4. And 2 by 3 equals 6. Now pause the video and do the next 2.
Whole numbers and fractions. We're going to use this example, 5 divided by 1 half. First, we make 5 into a fraction, so we change it to 5 over 1, and then we have to swap the division sign for a multiplication sign. Then, once we've done that, we're flipping the second. We make, instead of 1 half, we're going to make it 2 over 1. Then, we're going to make the answer. So, 5 times 2 equals 10, and 1 times 1 equals 1. So the answer is 10 over 1 or 10.
Now we're going to divide mixed fractions with fractions. So we have to change the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So 1 half is the same as 1 and 1 half is the same as 3 halves. Then you change the division symbol into a multiplication symbol. Then you flip the second fraction. So instead of 3/4, it's 4/3. Then you do the multiplication. So 3 times 4 is 12 and 2 times 3 is 6. The answer is 12 over 6.
You have learned something, and we hope you didn't get too bored.
We tried to make this as fun as possible.
But you know, it's maths. You can watch our bloopers and then you'll be entertained. Bye.
Maybe.
See ya. Bye. Bye. 16 seconds.
Love ya. Now you do the multiplication.
So you do 1 times 4, which is 4.
Then you do
That is so annoying.